So because back there, it has been quite the early afternoon. I would say morning, but it's definitely early afternoon. Trying to film this tutorial. I'm sure my rambles and my rants will be in the bloops if you really want to hear how it's gone so far. But right there is an example. That crazy baby back there that keeps trying to eat that glitter tree. Anyway, so today we're going to do kind of a basic Halloween look that you can turn into a cat, that you can turn into a witch, that you can turn into a pirate, that really you could probably turn into a vampire. Like, it's just kind of a basic smoky eye look that you can turn into pretty much anything. But at the end of this, I'm going to turn it into a cat because I feel like the cat out of all of those involves a little more work than just like changing your lip color. Because I feel like if you want to make this look into like a pirate, I would personally probably do a red lip. I don't know. A red lip, and then if you want to be kind of witchy, I would do like a black lip or like a really dark lip. Whatever you want to be. You do you, boo. If you want to be a little more goth, I would add a little extra eyeliner. You know, you could just have a spooky look, add some orange, be Halloween. I don't know. But we're just going to jump in. Before we do, please subscribe if you have not already. I upload videos every Monday, Wednesday, Friday here on my channel. All right, let's get into it. So all I've done so far is spray my face with Hangover RX 3-in-1 primer spray. I'm just gonna go ahead and put on some foundation. I'm gonna use my absolute favorite right now, which is the Revolution Conceal and Define in F1. As we learned in my foundation routine, this is now slightly too dark for me. So I do have 0.5 sitting here. So I'm gonna mix them a little bit. Okay, so I'm just gonna leave that as my one coat of primer because I'm gonna have to wash my face because I'm not gonna go out looking like a cat today. Personally, not that I'm opposed to that. You be a cat any day. I'm gonna stop rambling. Let's put some foundation on. Here. Boop, boop. Boop, boop. Obviously, just apply your foundation of choice. Mirror, I can still even see a little bit of a line. How am I so fair right now? I'm just gonna prime my lid with some concealer. I'm not gonna put my actual concealer on until after the eye look, but this will give us a nice blank base. I'm just gonna set my lids with a little bit of face powder. And now I'm just gonna pop my brows on real quick, which real quick, you know, on here it'll be real quick, but in real life we know it's not real quick. Okay, now we're gonna put on some shadow shields. You can just use tape. I just have shadow shields, so I'm gonna use them. I'm just going to try and, I only take off the middle sticky and I try and put that right on the corner of my eye to the tail of my brow. I think they're decently straight. It's hard to tell because my eyes are a little wonky. Whew, we're gonna use my Rundown Modern Renaissance palette. Look at this. I think this is the most used palette that I own. This is ridiculous, but we're just gonna start with it. Any basic neutral palette is gonna work for this. So I'm just gonna use this one because I know it's a tried and true colors. I'm gonna probably have to bring in a black, but I have still my Creepy Cute palette sitting here that's got a black in it. So maybe I'll use that one. But whatever eyeshadows that you have that are neutral will be just fine. Point of this is that you should be able to create this look with pretty much stuff that you own. And if you don't, it should be easily accessible. Actually, maybe we're gonna start with a warm taupe right here. And I'm just gonna take a fluffy blending brush and buff it into the crease. I'm gonna focus it mostly on this outer corner at first to kind of get this line going and then blend it in. Okay, I can't help it. I want to add a little bit of warmth, so I'm going to take a little bit of burnt orange. Just a little bit. I just want a little warmth. Because that's what I prefer. Whatever you prefer. Warm tones, cool tones, you do you. We're going to take the, if we can get in there, some Cypress Umber, just a really dark brown. And I'm taking my pointed blender brush, the E30 from Carity. I'm just going to focus this mostly on the outer. Same kind of thing I did, but a little bit lower. So the first shade we blew out a lot more. This one we're keeping down more in the crease. I deposit most of the pigment out here and then blend what's left in. And I'm gonna bring it down on the lid a little bit on this outer corner. Right here. Have any of you guys watched the, I think it's like Haunting of Hill House? Buffing this out again, blending it all together. Anyway, I've been watching that on Netflix and it is creepy, girl. I think I want to make it just a teeny bit darker out here, so I'm going to take a black from the Creepy Cute palette. Mine's all busted. it came busted. Obviously any black will work. So we're just gonna focus that again on this outer corner. This we're not gonna take, I don't think. As of right now, we're not gonna take it all the way across, but we're just gonna keep it out here, kind of along this line to kind of help it look even more cut and dramatic. So just like right here. It's Utopia by Makeup Geek. Honestly, you can pick any glitter, any shimmer, anything. You could just leave your lids like this and just be smoky or whatever you want to do. I'm trying to decide what I want to put on as a base. I have my orange chocolate palette sitting here from Revolution, so I'm just going to take a gold out of that. Just this guy. Obviously any gold. I'm just using what's right here. I'm going to pat it on my lid with my fingertip. I like to just put some sort of base between the glitter and my lid, just because that's how I do. I'm going to put on a glitter glue too, so I just pop that on. It's not precise or anything because the glitter is going to go over it and I'm going to end up blending around it anyway. I've got this BH Cosmetics Base Booster. It's just a glitter glue. I think I'm going to use this guy. Utopia is so pretty. If you guys haven't seen Utopia, oh my gosh, I feel like it's a pigment that every person should own if they can. So I'm just putting a little bit of this glitter glue on the back of my hand. Just going to tap this on my finger all over the lid. And then I'm just going to tap into this. This pigment is messy. Oh, so pretty. Oh, it's so beautiful. It's so messy though. It's so pretty. Pretty sure they come with sifters now. I bought mine when they did not. I'm just taking a little bit of Cypress Umber and blending those edges. Okay, we're gonna go back in with the black and tap it on the outer corner again just to re-intensify it. I'm just using a flat shadow brush. Now it's time to peel these little babies off, I think. Carefully. Oh my gosh. I'm always so scared. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's sharp. Let's do some concealer and then we'll do our lower lash line. We'll do a wing. We'll do some lashes. I'm just going to use my Revolution Conceal and Define in 0.5. I do want to say that I would wear this look on any day. This is not just a Halloween thing for me. So if you want to, you do you, boo. I'm proud of you. If you don't want to, I'm proud of you too. Now I'm just going to set that. I'm just using my Physicians Formula Mineral Correcting Powder and Translucent. It's my favorite under eye setting powder. I'm going to start by taking a black pencil liner. This one's from ColourPop and Swerve, and I'm just going to run it along my lower lash line. And then I'm going to start with that initial taupe shade that we use, this guy, whoop, right here. I'm bringing out the big guns. This guy always gives me such a bold wing. This is the Revolution. I always want to call it the Line and Flick, but it's like the Renaissance Flick. Okay, now we're going to put on some mascara and lashes. I'm going to use these lashes today. I feel like every year, don't mind my nails, every year Walmart comes out with these. They name them different things, but they look just the same. These lashes are so beautiful. Back in the day, I used to buy a bunch of them and just wear them all the time. So I'm just going to pop on some mascara. Okay, I don't know, my mic is trying me, so I'm holding it together. But I don't know if you guys, I don't know when the sound cut off. So if you didn't, I just applied the Wet n Wild Zodiac highlight wet after the Haunted Lights highlighter from Revolution. And I'm a little obsessed with this Wet n Wild one. It is intense though, so if you don't want an intense glow, don't go for it, but if you do, girl, it's gonna be your best friend. So I'm gonna pretend that I'm gonna turn this into a witch look because I wanna take photos with a dark lip. So I also think that I'm going to take the tiniest bit of this and put it on my inner corner, which I may regret, I may not, I don't know, I guess we'll see. I think I like it. I think we're gonna use the Wet n Wild Goth Topic liquid lip. I was thinking of adding this gloss, but I think we're just fine as is. All right, love, so this is the completed witchy look that you can turn into a pirate. I would just change the lip to a red, personally, if I was doing a pirate. The year that I was a pirate, I did just like a smoky black eye and a red lip, just makes it so easy. I love this for a witchy look. Let me get a hat. I'm gonna get a hat. Okay, I'm pretty sure this hat had something around it and my cats got rid of it. Because I just feel like a little bit witchy. Okay, loves, I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep it all in one video, turning this into a cat, or if I'm gonna leave it as is and then change this into a cat. I don't know. So if this is it, I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it and share it if you could, because it does help me out so much. And please subscribe if you have not already. I upload videos every Monday, Wednesday, Friday here on my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you soon. Luna decided to jump back there, and she jumped into one of my box lights that doesn't have a cover on it. She jumped into it, which obviously it's already unstable. They're super cheap from Amazon. So she knocked over my expensive daylight lamp that then knocked over my microphone, which is the most ridiculously picky piece of crap. Something's wrong with my connector, so I have to literally sit there and spin the little connector until it decides to show me on my computer that there's sound. It knocked over my microphone, it knocked over my vanity, my small vanity mirror, everything. Somehow my coffee wasn't knocked over. And then after taking 5 minutes, no joke, at least 5 minutes of sitting there spinning it, and it would work while I was holding it, I'd set it down or let go and then it would stop. Sorry for this rant. And then, and then I went to turn on my camera and bumped a button and the little monitor for the sound went away. And I don't even know how I got it there in the first place. Figured it out. We're in business now. But I'm pretty sure my camera's crooked, but girl, we're just gonna have to live with it because I'm not touching anything because my sound's working again. So I'm sorry that we're crooked. I'm just like looking at my monitor like, please just keep working. And then my sound was working and then it would stop working. And then it was working and it was not working. Girl, I just want to put some makeup on. Anyway, I'm sure this rant's going in the bloops because most people aren't gonna want to hear it. But my true loves are gonna watch till the end. I mean, I love you all even if you don't watch to the end, obviously. But I know there's some of you that live for the bloops. Oh no, Binks is on my vanity. No, no, baby, no, please, no. Stop, no. You see him. Why are you so cute? That's how you get away with being such a little tiny turtlet. Tiny turtlet. Wow. Look at him. Hey, loves. So today, Binks has joined us today. But we're just gonna go with it. We're gonna go with it. I don't even know what palette I'm gonna use because I didn't. Why? What did that pumpkin ever do to you? Oh! You guys are probably just gonna be watching Luna instead of watching me, and that's fine. She's way more entertaining. I don't know what she's doing back there. Luna, she's so cute. Why are you so cute? Hi.